What up, Ginger? What up, baby girl? You want to go out? You want some food? You want to go bye-bye? Ginger, you want to go out? You want to go out? You want to go out? Okay, let's go. Let's go out. You ready? What about you, Jade? You ready to go out? You want to go out? You want some food? You want to go bye-bye? You want to go for a ride in the car? How about a pill stick? You like those pill sticks? How about a manchichi? Special treats are waiting. Special treat. You want a special treat? You want a pill stick? You want to go out? I want to show y'all something cute. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest little thing you ever saw? It's Ginger. She's waiting to go out. Watch her perk up her ears when I say, you want some food? She knows what that word means. She's her. Ginger. Here's a little bit of sweetness for you right here. This is a sweet thing right here. Sweet little baby. Yeah. I just got home from work. She missed me, so here she is laying on me. Happy to have me home. Jade, what'd you do while I was at work, huh? It's usually always bath time around here, especially when Ginger's on the force. That's right, ain't it, Ginger? Bath time. And Jade's like, I am just so over this bath time with her. Every time I get around her, I had to get a bath, and I'm not that dirty. I mean, geez, kitty cat. Come on. What's up with you? I thought I might show you some more of the property out here where I work. This is out towards the back side of the house. There's a cornfield on this side. That building right there is a stable for horses, donkeys, cows, and stuff. I think they told me at one time they had some donkeys. I know he had cows and pigs. This here is a homemade smoker. He used to have turkeys, and he would smoke turkeys in that thing right there. This right here house, the client that I work for, he built that house himself. A closer look of the barn, or rather stable. It's not really a barn, it's a stable. Ain't no lights on in there where I could show you on the inside. I wanted to show you on this side. If you'll look down here, these trees all planted in a straight row. Come back down here so you can see it. Watch. See when I walk out, see how they're all lined up? They're all planted in a straight row. This is the highway in the field in front of the house. It's just really nice out here. It's quiet in the mornings. Not much going on out here, except every once in a while you have a vehicle going down the road. There's a couple of sheds in the back of the house here. Who's ready to go out? You ready to go out, Jake? How about you, Ginger? All right. Ready to go potty? Y'all didn't even do nothing. Ginger's washing her sister's face. Look at that. Aw, she loves her sister. She's giving you a nice face wash, Jade. Go ahead, Ginger. You can still do it. There you go. You got a little food on your face, Jade. She's going to clean you up. Yeah. Clean her up good, Ginger. There you go. Jade's like, I can't do nothing about it. I just got to tolerate it because she's not going to stop. So just let her get it out of her system. Licking my face. Are you done, Ginger? Is that it? Are you finished? You want to go out? You want some food? You want some food? Who wants to go out? You want to go bye-bye? You want to go out? How about a biscuit? Special treats? Jade's like, you're a lion. You're not going to give us no special treats. You're not going to take us for a ride in the car. You want to go out? Okay, let's go. Get the laundry folded. I hear you, Jade. So I just now come home from work. And I'm going to show you my welcoming crew. They're here. They're ready for their breakfast. I've been gone all night at work. And they're ready for their breakfast and they're ready for me. So I'm going to show you here's what I get every morning when I come home. All right, let's see what they do. Hello, babies. Oh, can't see them. There they are. Come on, babies. Come on, Ginger. Y'all ready for some breakfast? Y'all ready? Get up here. Get some pattings. They get a little pet. They're happy to see me. Yeah, they missed me. I know, I was gone all night, wasn't I? Yes, I know, I was gone. I was gone. Ginger has to get pets separate. She says I have to get my own pets. Yeah. Y'all ready for some breakfast? Y'all ready for your breakfast? You ready for your breakfast? All right, here it comes. Here's Jade's. And here's Ginger's. All right, they're having their breakfast. They've been waiting on me all night so that I could come home and give them their breakfast. So now it's time to have some breakfast. You girls enjoy.